Hello, this is Patricia Gonzalez. Well, this week I worked on using the VR tools. I used one of the pictures in the library that resembles kind of like a technology classroom. And then basically what I did, it was just I added hotspots that link to pictures, text, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I go to preview, live preview on devices, it'll create a QR code for you to scan it, and so you're able to interact with the virtual reality lesson from your phone or iPad. Okay, so I'm just going to play this slide. See if it's gonna let me. So right here on the first hotspot that I have. Well, let's go ahead and do it from this slide. Okay, so when I click on play and then I click on the first hotspot, I'm going to explain. This is for a virtual reality and augmented reality summer camp, so I will be explaining what virtual reality is. So this is my first hotspot that I have. Then the next one is a picture I will be showing painting in virtual reality. The next one it gives them another picture just to show them the different ways they can use virtual reality. This paintbrush, tilt brush, it's really cool because you can create art, paint arts using your VR gear. This other one is just kind of like to get to know the students. I send them a question, see if they've used virtual reality before. This is other ways that they can use through Discovery VR, dive into the ocean, using science or interacting with science content using a science website, explore cities, or simply just play videos on YouTube. If you go to YouTube and type in 360 videos, there's a lot of videos that you can play from your phone when you click on the little lens icon. And this is just to show them how does the VR gear look like. Right here in this spot, right after I presented my lesson for the first 1 or 2 days, they will go to this hotspot, and this is the testing area. It goes to another 360 scenery, and when they click on this first one, it asks them questions. So this is the test. So they had to click on the answer, submit, and then go to the next one. They click submit, and it tells them whether if it's correct or not. Then they go to the next one. They can see it. They can just position the testing screen in front of them. Then submit. Notice that you can add more hotspots into the sceneries. I just added a couple of them so you can just see the testing. Right here in this hotspot, I prompted to just finish the testing and go to the results. So it tells you if you passed it or not, how many you scored, maximum score, the percentage. You can also review the quiz, and it tells you which one is right, which one is wrong. You can go click on every single one so you can look at the review. Okay, so that's all that I worked on. It's really fun working on with the virtual reality tool.